guys, it's Mrs. Saucetta. I'm here to show you how to complete your work from 9/21 or 9/22. So if you missed class on 9/21, September 21st or September 22nd, this is what you need to be watching. So you go to the date that you missed, which is 9/21. And today was actually a makeup day. So today it says you'll be completing your makeup work. If you're not missing any work, you'll complete the quizzes and FET demo. So also I want to remind you that your vocab is due. So if you're missing the vocab still, you haven't done the vocab, that's considered missing work, even though it might not be missing in the grade book yet. You need to do the vocab. So a reminder how to do your vocab real quick. So it isn't missing because I'm going to grade the vocab today. So if your vocab is not done by today, then it will be missing. So you have to go here to our digital notebook. Once you click on digital notebook, you'll slide down to your vocab, which is, if you're not sure, you have it in your table of content, vocab 7 through 8. So this is our vocab right here. You're going to have to fill this out. Make sure you're inserting text boxes so you can type. You need the vocab definitions, they're right here. Use this vocab definitions, force and motion vocab definitions. It tells you the word, the definition, and the picture. So your job is to copy the definitions and the words into your notebook. So you're gonna have to be either have a split screen or you're gonna have to be tab hopping back and forth, okay? So if you're done with your vocab, then you need to go on Skyward and check for missing work. So to get to Skyward, you go to your Launchpad, and then go to Skyward, down towards the bottom, okay? Check for your missing work and get all your missing work completed. If you don't have any missing work and you already did all your vocab, then good job to you, pat on the back. You did your vocab, you're not missing any assignments. Then I just want you to do this quizzes link here, and then the force and motion demos, and then that's all you have to do if you're not missing work and you've completed your vocab, okay? Any questions, feel free to email or comment. I want to remind you that I do have a video on the stream explaining how to complete missing work. It says progress reports are coming out. Watch this video if you're not sure how to complete your missing work. Okay, so if you're confused about how to complete missing work, I'm going to redirect you right here to the stream because I already made a video all about that. Thank you, and let me know if you have questions.